Samit Patil,
Coming from
Bombay.
Bombay. Working in?
I'm working in Air India as a security inspector.
You come specially for acupuncture treatment.
Yes, I'm suffering from ankylosing spondylitis,
Mm-hmm.
which was diagnosed around 2-3 years back.
Mm-hmm. So you have done any treatment before or search for any treatment for this?
No, actually, this is for the last 10 years that I've been suffering,
Mm-hmm.
but then I was not able to find it out. Even the doctors used to give me painkillers,
Mm-hmm.
and then the temporary relief used to be there. But
Mm-hmm.
after that, nothing as such. Every time the pain used to come, the cramp used to come down from the leg over here,
Mm-hmm.
this back, lower back, and the
Mm-hmm.
pain used to go down the leg.
Mm-hmm.
Since I used to do my bodybuilding and all the exercises, tough exercises, that young stage, I thought that it must be a spasm or something of that sort.
Mm-hmm.
Taking painkillers and it used to go.
Mm-hmm.
But then for years and years it was the same thing and taking painkillers, so I was worried about it. So
Mm-hmm.
once my family doctor told me to go in for an HLB test,
Mm-hmm.
blood test, in where it was diagnosed that I was HLBA positive.
Mm-hmm.
So that showed that it would be either rheumatoid arthritis or ankylosing spondylitis,
Mm-hmm.
any of that.
Mm-hmm.
Then once I was taken to the hospital in where under the treatment of Dr. Agarwala in Hindujas, they came to the conclusion after treatment that it was ankylosing spondylitis, that is
Mm-hmm.
AS
Mm-hmm.
in medical science.
Mm-hmm.
Then I was given this allopathic tablets,
Mm-hmm.
diclofenac and indomethacin,
Mm-hmm.
and one as for relief of acidity, that acid or acid tablet.
Mm-hmm.
Just take regularly. But then
Mm-hmm.
after all this painkillers,
Mm-hmm.
and for years I had been taking Warren injections and all that.
Mm-hmm.
All was okay, fine. Then after the treatment of Dr. Agarwal, after some time, there was for a couple of years there was no problem at all
Mm-hmm.
in between. But now recently, for the last 2 years, the pain has developed in my back,
Mm-hmm.
and the
Full spine is.
full spine,
Mm-hmm.
and the morning stiffness, lots of stiffness is there.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot bend sometimes and all that.
Mm-hmm.
But once I get up in the morning, some sort of light exercises or hot water bath, then I get the relief, the same relief.
Mm-hmm.
But then the pain suddenly comes, then I suffer a lot. I just have to think of God
Mm-hmm.
at that time. I was very depressed about the pain.
Mm-hmm.
Then I went to so many doctors, then they said
What
that
they have told about this when you suffer from ankylosing? Because you got depressed, you told something about that.
even when I had been to Dr. Agarwala's Hinduja hospital, it was told to me that this is a degenerating process of disease, in where the cells get degenerated, and then there is no cure for that. You can only keep that in control by taking the medicine, that is the allopathy, the tablets which I told you about.
Mm-hmm.
So that will only keep you in control.
Mm-hmm.
But then it was also told by my family doctor that taking more and more medicines will affect your kidney,
Mm-hmm.
and it is not curable at all. Then I had to go for Ayurvedic, this Kerala Ayurvedic and all. I called up them on the telephone asking the doctor what is the cure. They said we don't have any cure for this medicine, for the disease. Only some massages could be given to you, and that can keep you in control.
Mm-hmm.
So it was by time that I came to know about one doctor named Paresh Nanavati,
Mm-hmm.
situated in Sai in Malad Sundarnagar,
Mm-hmm.
doing acupuncture.
Mm-hmm.
So since I was an aspirant who always wanted to go in for some cure,
Mm-hmm.
I trusted upon God and went to the doctor.
Mm-hmm.
And the time I just stepped into the clinic, he took my sort of interview sort of thing. I mean, what I have done and all that.
Mm-hmm.
And then he said that no, boy, you're going to get stiff.
Mm-hmm.
There's no cure for your medicine, but I am the only person who is going to get you cured.
Mm-hmm.
I said, fine, doctor, you are God to me like a god.
Mm-hmm.
But then for a couple of days he did the acupuncture sort of thing. Only I used to sit like this. He used to do acupuncture on my hands.
Mm-hmm.
Though I was suffering on the spine, he used to do only on the hands and the legs
Mm-hmm.
acupuncture. And every time after doing acupuncture, after a week or so, he called me to his table and said, you sit down, I want to tell you something. And now I'm going to cure you within 45 days. So I was surprised. The process which was supposed to take years and months, he suddenly calls me to his table and tells me that he's going to cure me in 45 days.
Mm-hmm.
I said, I'm very happy about it, doctor. How should we go about it?
Mm-hmm.
He said, no, it's nothing of that sort. I'm just going to do something of it. Some acupuncture. I got my trust. I have done some, what is that called, mantras and all that thing, sort of thing. And Atma ka milan hona chahiye, all those things, talks he gave me.
Mm-hmm.
And then he said, you have to spend around 1 lakh rupees. So I was shocked. I cannot do that, I said. I'm a working person. I cannot spend 1 lakh rupees or something of that sort on the treatment of 45 days.
Mm-hmm.
So he said, okay, fine. He said, I will, since you have a young boy and I am happy that I'm treating a young boy, I will reduce that price to 45,000.
Mm-hmm.
Who in this world will reduce a patient's money from 1 lakh to 45,000?
Mm-hmm.
So that was a shock in itself.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody would do that, even if it is his own business.
Yeah.
And charity, if you want to do something of charity sort, you should have done it free of charge for
Yeah.
me. And reducing to 45,000, I said, okay, fine. I didn't say anything as such.
Mm-hmm.
Then, most surprising was whenever I used to sit there for acupuncture, he used to come and he used to tell me to close his eyes. Then he used to take something in he used to take his hands like this back and front and chew. He used to do something of that sort.
Mm-hmm.
And then it just clicked. I
Which
told
was
him,
nothing like that in acupuncture.
yeah, I was surprised
Yeah.
because then I spoke to my dad and mom and my wife.
Mm-hmm.
They said that this is something fishy,
Mm-hmm.
This is something which cannot be think about. We cannot think about this as acupuncture. This is something jadoo and all that thing.
Mm-hmm.
So I just quit it.
Yeah, this is very important because lot of patients come from Bombay and all. They always complain about the acupuncture going on in Bombay. So because that is the reason behind it, they are not doing any actually acupuncture. They are mixing all the things and they are saying that all the magics only they are doing. Because in acupuncture there is nothing magic. There is science behind it. So when you will cure, it will take its own time for body to get healed.
But I didn't get any cure as such within, at least now when I'm sitting in front of you for the last Monday and this is Friday.
Mm-hmm.
I got some relief. Only a little stiffness is there in the back.
Yeah, within
That
these
cannot
5
go,
days.
that cannot go in all of a sudden in 5 days. I understand that. But I got that relief at least. That back which each and every bone was paining for the last so many months and years. I'm not getting that bone pain.
That 5 days in
Yes,
this 5 days
no, not at
treatment
all.
you are getting relief from that.
Yeah, but back, down, lower back, I'm getting that pain. And stiffness in the morning, lots of stiffness I'm getting. But each and every rib behind was paining. That is not getting.
That relief you got.
That relief.
Yeah, actually as per my this thing and I told you for the ankylosing spondylitis it required about 1 year to 1.5 year treatment. So I told you that if you are ready to come for so much long treatment, then only we will able to take your case. So as you got relief from the 5 days, then we are sure that about within 8 to 10 months we will able to recover from your this ankylosing spondylitis. Okay. One more thing, you have also searched about this in internet and all. What you found in that?
Yeah, since I got a computer, I just used to sit on the internet and looking out for different remedies for all that thing. So when I went on the different websites of science and medical science, I could go into, I don't know, remember the name of that website, but I could go and in there I found that ankylosing spondylitis research centers are there in America and all that thing. Big research centers, but they have not come out with any conclusion. And the last statement they always make is there is no cure to disease at all. You don't have any cure to this disease.
So when you came to my clinic, you saw different type of patient we are handling. So you want to talk anything about such patients who are getting treated here? Have you seen any time remedies for this in any of your Bombay treatments?
No, surprisingly, I have never seen any remedies for this and I never heard about it in paralysis and all that thing. But this is very surprising. And forget talking to you, doctor. You talked to me, you spoke to me and everything. But I myself, when I was outside in your clinic, I spoke to many patients who are suffering and they have come. So they themselves had told me, not in front of you, but behind you, that yes, we are getting cured and this is the result in so and so months. So that's 100% sure that the results are there with you. You are a God, like a God to us.
So anyhow, this is our primary recording you have done, what is your suffering and all. And we'll do again recording after your cure. Okay?
Doctor, I would like to say one more thing. You are very much required in the world because when I sit on the internet, I can see people giving statements and writing letters. They are crying. They have lost their jobs, most of them, because of rheumatic arthritis and ankylosing spondylitis. They cannot work. They are stiff. And one example you have given about bamboo spine, which had got cured within 10 months or 12, 14 months. That is very surprising. People are requiring you, doctor. People need you.
Yeah. So people should know and get aware of our center. That is very important. And that only patients should do and they should make awareness of our acupuncture center.
Sure, doctor. We are with you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, doctor.
You are suffering from this ankylosing spondylitis. So we have done your recording before when in the first stage. So just tell me what is the improvement after the acupuncture treatment, step by step.
The first treatment when I came, it was all okay. I didn't have to take medicines and anything of that sort. But when I went home, then again there was lots of pain. So I called up. I mean, you must have known that I called you up saying that the pain was there. So I came the next month. You treated on my that pain also, back pain
It
and
was
all.
lower back.
Lower
So
back,
that time
legs
top
and
back problem, upper back and all was gone.
reduce,
It was reduced.
reduce.
Okay.
It was there, it was reduced.
Mm-hmm.
But then this pain has substantially, it has reduced and it has gone, back pain.
Mm-hmm.
And now the third course I came, there was a chest pain. I mean the chest bone pain was there.
Mm-hmm.
It was the ankylosing only.
Mm-hmm.
So once
There
you
was
had
severe
given me a needle in the leg, and that I got immediate relief that time.
Mm-hmm. So that chest pain, what was you was doing for treatment? 15 days it was severe pain, no?
I used to take lots of painkillers
Mm-hmm.
for that chest pain, but nothing could happen.
And what time it was at night and all it was getting
Night or it was
aggravated?
very heavy. It was we used to catch up like anything. But after your treatment and all, I went home and then it was okay. And now today I come for the fourth course, and it is quite fine.
So now these two courses you came by bus.
Yeah,
So not even by flight.
no,
So while coming in the bus, was there any pain in the back and all?
no, slight,
Slight.
little.
So as compared to your 10 years suffering from this ankylosing spondylitis, this experience by coming with bus, because we never allow patient to go by bus and all. So you are traveling from Bombay to here in bus. Still there was no such remarkable pain or like that. There was any pain?
There was slight pain,
Slight.
which is has to because it has to go on curing
Yeah,
now.
because as per that, this ankylosing spondylitis, your treatment is required about 1 year treatment. So now this is just 3-4 months, means 3 months is completed. But how much percentage you feel improvement?
I would say at least 60% something it has gone.
Yeah, and pain wise?
Pain wise, because pain comes when the catches come, na?
Yeah.
So 60% it is okay. It has
Okay.
gone. But it's
Okay.
quite a good improvement.
Okay. So you are happy with this treatment?
And that's the reason I'm sitting in front of you, doctor.
Any other comments on acupuncture?
Acupuncture means I had told many of my colleagues in Air India and many are interested. And maybe you will get many patients because because they used to know how to walk and all sometimes. So now they're happy to see me here. Even my bosses, they have boosted me to go and take the treatment because they find me in a good position now.